I thought this was going to be just another shopping mall. So we arrived at Hyundai Mall in Seoul expecting a great shopping experience, but what we found completely caught us off guard. Incredible fashion, one of the most impressive gourmet food halls we have ever visited, what may be the best collection of food trucks we have ever seen inside a mall anywhere in the world, and an entire section of lower level dedicated to artisan bakeries, luxury desserts, handcrafted pastries, and sweets. If you love food, shopping, or discovering unique places while traveling, you're going to love this mall. Let us show you why Hyundai Mall has become one of our favorite places in Seoul. Krista?
Yeah. Funny, yeah. Beautiful country. Yeah. 3 times more. Yeah.
Hell, the world was standing alone. Side by side, step by step, we grew. Oh, across the miles, my heart chose you. Oh, through every road and every new lane, your love forever holds my hand. From LA skies to oceans blue.
The lower level immediately feels different from anything we have ever seen before. Instead of a traditional food court, Hyundai has created an upscale marketplace where every restaurant feels like its own destination. Everywhere you look, there are beautiful displays, open kitchens, and long lines of people waiting for a delicious taste of soul food. See what I did there? The first place that caught our attention was Golden Cheese. Before we even looked at the menu, we found ourselves admiring the display. Korea does an incredible job making the food look as good as it tastes. Watching the staff prepare everything fresh behind the counter made it even more tempting. You're not just ordering food here, you are watching skilled chefs and bakers creating each item throughout the day. Just a few steps away, we discovered another bakery filled with pastries that looked almost too perfect to eat. Every tray featured something different, from flaky croissants and buttery pastries to colorful seasonal specialties. Then the desserts started appearing. Layer after layer of fresh fruit, whipped cream, delicate cakes, and mousse filled the display cases. Honestly, if you're trying to avoid sugar, this probably is not the place that you want to visit. One thing we immediately noticed was how spacious everything feels. The walkways are wide, there's plenty of seating, and unlike many busy courts, nothing feels overcrowded or rushed. We eventually came across a section called Welcome to Tasty Seoul, and we could not think of a better name. This area brings together many of Seoul's most popular food brands, local chefs, and unique culinary experiences all under one roof. Mixed throughout the market are gourmet grocery shops, premium ingredients, wine selections, and specialty foods that you normally would not expect to find inside of a shopping mall. As we continued walking, every corner revealed another bakery or specialty shop. And just when we thought we had found our favorite, another display somehow looked even better. One thing Korea does exceptionally well is organization. Everything is grouped together by theme, making it easy to explore, especially the Korean favorites, gourmet desserts, international foods, and specialty cafes without feeling overwhelmed at all. These cheesecakes immediately caught our attention. They looked almost too perfect to cut into, and this is only the beginning. We still have one area left to explore that completely surprised us.
So this section of the mall is so cute because they have all these different food trucks in here, and it's so cool. I've never seen so many food trucks in a mall, but it's actually like a great concept. Let's take a look. This is the first one. Looks so good. And you just self-order. And then they have where you can order you some beer. Another food truck. Seoul restaurant. Novel concept. Prices are reasonable. And then you have another one here. Check out the menu. Self-order again. Isn't it so cool how they have all these food trucks in here? also sell noodles and a bunch of other different things. Sweet potato with guacamole and cheese and chips. Looks good. I'm tempted to try, but I'm still stuffed from a little while ago. Look at that. I'm a taco person. I love tacos. Nice and crispy. Just a perfect amount of crisp around the shell. Look at that. It looks so good. Alright. X-shell. Let's take a look at some more. Plenty more food trucks over here. So crowded in here. My hubby's over here ordering something. Roast chicken salad, cold noodles with water parsley, seafood platter, black bean sauce noodles. They have such a variety here. This counter. This one has Michelin stars for 2024, 2025, and 2026. Check that out. Hi, how are you guys? That is pork, like ham, around the soup. I'm just I'm just checking it out. Japanese ramen. Bet it tastes so good. See how the ham is wrapped around the plate, around the bowl, around the edges? Check it out. And it's pretty reasonable. Japanese ramen, y'all, from Seoul, Korea. This one's set up like a little diner. Isn't that cool? It's divine. Spaghetti, steak, seafood, sirloin, salad. And then again, you order here. Self-order here. That burger looks delicious. Little burger. We have shrimp burgers and fried wings. If I wasn't on a diet, I would try it, but I'm trying to lose 10 pounds, so. Classic smash burger. Business. Potatoes on there, some grilled shrimp, and traditional burger. So many offerings and so many options.
The indoor food truck village may be the best unique dining experience we have ever seen inside a shopping mall. We still have one area left to explore.
One of my favorite burger places here, all the way in Seoul, Korea. Can you guess what it is? Let's take a look. Five Guys! Oh, I love Five Guys burgers. They're so delicious. Let's see how the prices compare to US prices. Nice and full in there. The stores are nice and clean and simple. I really like their style here though. It's different. It's much more fashionable, I feel. kind of like a vibe like Melrose Boulevard in LA. So I just wanted you guys to get a sample of what the mall is like here. You guys know how much I love the food courts, to be able to show you guys like the street food, but I also want to give you a little sample of the mall. Okay guys, that's all for now.
So we found a nice vibe here. Found a table. There's a concert tonight. We won't make it because we're jumping on the flight and headed to Tokyo. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I like it. Wish we had more time. We just met some new friends from Sweden
And Finland.
and Finland. Krista, Larissa.
Larissa, yeah. Then.
So
Nice to meet
wonderful for you guys to come up and introduce yourselves.
Aw.
It means so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Like we have to have it on video. Like yeah. It's my second time in Korea, and I wanted to bring my cousin who also loves the Korean culture.
Okay.
And I wanted her to meet my friends. Oh, they're like what, chilling.
Yes.
So yeah, I just wanted. She loves the Korean culture as well,
okay.
like
And the food and everything.
Oh God, yes, everything. Like the
I really
food
love
and
it.
the people.
Yeah.
So nice, so nice.
I love
so,
it. I really love it. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The pricing is compared to
Sweden and Finland, much cheaper.
Much cheaper.
Yeah,
Oh,
for
oh.
us, much cheaper. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
the
vacation.
Food,
Yeah.
half the price.
How about
at
you?
least.
Yeah,
Really?
half. Yeah, for us.
that
Yeah.
expensive and
Oh,
In Sweden and Finland,
yeah,
eating out,
Yes, it's really expensive.
double or 3 times the more.
3 times.
Yeah.
But it's
Yeah.
a beautiful country.
Yeah.
But
But
It is.
Yeah.
But very
Comparing to Korea, yeah, it's expensive.
yeah.
okay, so going out to eat a meal is like
Yeah. Lunch.
Lunchtime, like 12 to 15
For one.
euros. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So
Really expensive.
So it's here. It's cheap.
where we live in Bangkok.
Oh, what the? Wait. Where do you live?
I hadn't gotten to that part yet.
Oh, you had.
You asked me where we're from.
Bangkok?
Yes. Yes.
Tell me. What do you compare?
This is like 3 times more expensive.
But that I can tell. I've been to Bangkok, so I know it's cheaper. Yeah. I know it's cheaper.
A lot.
But
And
here-
Vietnam is much cheaper.
Yes. Yeah. But here, it's like the culture.
Here is so clean and quiet. Yes.
And everyone is so like, I wanna help. Yeah.
Okay.
They're trying very much, and they're not rude. They're
When
like,
you go to talk to them.
yeah,
I
yeah,
think it's same in Finland. Like if yours is like,
the resting bitch face.
Yeah.
It's in Sweden as well.
you
Yeah.
talk to people, they're like, oh, I can help
Oh,
you.
you're
like,
great.
it's like that. First impression, like,
Yeah, very cold. Yeah.
oh,
And if you talk English,
yeah.
no problem. Oh, in Sweden and Finland, we love English.
Oh, you love it.
No worries.
Okay.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just want to get a feel. How long are you guys here for?
We leave on Monday.
But
Yeah.
we have been
3
here like
weeks.
3 weeks.
Wow. And we're coming in again in 2 years. Yeah. It's like our thing.
Your favorite place?
Yeah.
Okay. There's no beaches around.
Busan.
Busan.
Yeah, Busan.
Okay.
That's the beach. South Korea, yeah. That's the beach. Yeah. Yeah.
But we leave tonight, so.
Yeah.
We're not going back to Bangkok.
Where are you going?
Japan.
We were planning about that, but we just
Yeah.
yeah.
And now we are in a nice trendy area that's really pretty popular. They have a K-pop concert going on out here. Let me see if I can show you guys a little bit before my battery dies.
Brought us closer each day. Side by side, step by step, we grew. Across the miles, my heart chose you. Through every road and every new land, your love forever holds my hand. From LA skies to